Hi guys, so indaba ezingekho zinhle lezi. Naledi Aphiwe posted on her Facebook account. She said, people can be so cruel. Someone broke into our house and took everything. The TV, everyone's phone, even Nicole's phone. If anyone sees or hears anything about someone selling these items, please let us know. Any information could help us. I would genuinely do anything for someone who can help us recover our things. Please share this and keep an eye out. And then so she posted ukuthi lana nightclub yabona ukuthi bekukhona TV, now the TV is gone. Shame, this is very sad. Well, under the comments, Hlengiwe said, kodwa bakithi engathi ningasizakala yazi. Yeah, shame, nami ngiyafisa engathi bengasizakala bayithole into zabo, especially it's phone, guys. Utsilo, she needs 24/7 tight security because these might be the people who know your movements. Exactly, hey? Maybe they didn't just stole only. They are teaching you a lesson that next time be kind and helpful. Help others who are in need, even if they don't ask you. When you just allow yourself to help them, they make you realize that being selfish attracts a lot of enemies and also attracts a lot of jealous people. So be careful. Huh? Haibo. This one said, imali onayo ntombi, you couldn't install cameras. Seems like you forgot ukuthi uyi-celebrity. Kodwa sorry, uzothenga okunye. Unaledi Aphiwe replied and said, we do have cameras from the front. Ungene ngemuva ngakamakhelwane. Guys, igebengu. Izigebengu. Shame. Uthelo uSpeakile SA uthi Speakile SA sicela uyohlala khona kulendlu. Hayibo, waphendula kunaledi wathi nje fuseke wena khinqila ihlo ungazongijwayela kabi. Hayibo, inhlambe engaka. Ikhinqi guys kambeni ikhinqi igazi isiZulu sometimes sinzima, but it's not a nice thing, and into I think we private parts yomuntu wesilisa ikhinqi. I think iletela ngaphambili. Ilento ephla phambili kuyi khinqila yihle unaledu yo anyway, let's move on. Hey, waphinde waposta futhi unaledi ku Facebook wathi ngefoni yami nganami iyintsha. Shame, askisi Nicole babes. And then there were comments under that. This one said, happiness went straight to Mawelele. And then the lady responded and said, he's not evil like you. No bobi ngathi ingane yembiza. Awema. Kodwa guys, uqinisile guys, ingane zembiza ayijwayelanga nje ukuba cute, like honestly. Yo kodwa unaledu nenhlamba we ha yazi uvela into ongayilindele. Hayi bandla. Uthi lo aqali ngaye futhi akugcini ngaye. Waphendula unaledi wathi nje nawe aqali ngawe ukuba ne-HIV. Engabe lezi impendulo unaledi uyicabanga nini? Mina sengifisa ukwazi cause wow. Waphinda futhi unaledi waposta wathi ngifuna ukwenza i-example ngoyedwa la kunina mayihlangana ngeke ngimhliphize ngempama nje. Awucabanga usosha unaledi ngempama? Ay cha kahleni guys, uyayisholo nje. And then guys on TikTok waposta i-video ke wathi nje anokhuza wathi awu lenanda yenu noSkhothile.
Hey ma engeke anokhuza phela ama hustling boyfriends zini bafethu. Anokhuza nje. Muna indoda nje guys eqhekezayo. Hayi ngeke osamane ngingamela indoda elona engene estole shoplift yenze. Hayibo ayime ngemoto kunokuthi eqhekeza indoda. Hayi bafethu ngeke bafethu. Hayibo akusona. Awu. Kodwa le hustling boyfriend enu
Nina ndibafayela kakhulu abafana ipressure yama zama-statement.
Bafuna ama-coach.
Kaqala thina manje.
Hayibo. Hayibo, hayi Luna kabawona ama-boyfriend, kabawona.
Obviously, there were comments under this video. Uthi lo uphakeme kakhulu wena ngane awumazi omunye umuntu. Eish. I think you guys need to stop posting when you are home. People are really jealous. That is so true. Sebenzisa Find My iPhone near a police station ne case insize nilande into zenu. Wathi nje unaledi ayingeke ngifuna ubathakatha bahambe ngamadolo. Lengane ayi. Uthi lo yeheni benzeni shuthi okade ngabonanga le post lekade ipostile ku Facebook. Waphendula unaledi wathi they stole amafoni endlini neyanicall ne-TV. Shame bandla. Unaledi ke guys bekade postile izolo eposta eXovu Flower washo ukuthi ukubo. Shuthi kwabonakala nje igebengu zabona ukuthi lo ukubo akekho kuya apartment yakhe bathi nje hayi ke ake siyokwenza njalo. Mina ngisathi ukuthi unaledi uhlala eNanda. Hayibo. Enanda. Yeah, okay. Anyway guys, that's it from me. Guys, njengoba eshilo unaledi ukuthi mangabe khona umuntu or abantu abadayisa lezi zinto zakhe cela ukuthi nimsize bandla. So guys, xa nenze njalo ke ingane ithola into zayo. That's it from me. Please share your thoughts under the comments and I'll see you more love on my next one. Shame. Sincane